Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Zilliqa. What's the current price of Zilliqa? What's the price changes occurring in Zilliqa? In this video, I will show you, friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone, please, if you listen my voice, so please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. You can see now on the screen, my friends, that is the last 1 hour price chart of the Zilliqa, and you can see here now at this time they start moving upward. So I hope that they will give you good amount of profit and they will continue this jump for a long time, friends. So let's see, my friends, the price statistic of the Zilliqa, what's going on in this time in Zilliqa, friends. My friends, if we look the price of the Zilliqa at this time, so 0.1067 USD dollar, friends, that is the currently latest price of the Zilliqa. On the other side, if we look the lowest price of the Zilliqa, so 0.09838 USD dollar, that is the latest price of lowest price of the Zilliqa in the last 24 hours. Same like it, if we look the highest price of the Zilliqa in the last 24 hours, so 0.1136 USD dollar. $0.1136 is the highest price of the Zilliqa in the last 24 hours. And if we look the opening price of the Zilliqa in the market, so 0.1118 USD dollar, friends. That is the opening price of the Zilliqa in the market, friends. And the market supply is 14.60 billion is the market supply of the Zilliqa. So now the price change goes neutral, because not goes upward, not falls down. Let's see, let me show you, friends. Now you can see it why the price change is negative. You can see at this time there are negative 0.01%, but in a previous time the price change will become 0, because you can see it falls down, after falls again jump. So the price change will become again 0, and now this time falls down occurred, and now I think they are again ready for a jump, and I hope that they will continue this jump for a long time, friends. But my friends, remember, maybe the price of the Zilliqa is falls down, friends. Maybe the price of Zilliqa is falls down in the few next day, 5 days. So this is due to the end of new month, friends, and as you know, it is the end of new month, May month. So that is why a lot of people decide to sell Zilliqa. So don't worry about this fast. That is the temporary fast. With the passage of time, the price change will become again positive, and the start of June, there is a lot of chances to them move upward, friends, and there is a lot of chances to them take a huge pump. They will give you good amount of profit in the start of June, friends. So it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. What is your opinion? What is your prediction about Zilliqa? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.